understand that there are no interpreters required for today's proceedings. Court clerk is Mr. Fries. On record for accused number 1 is Mr. Maluleke. For accused number 2 is Mr. Maluleke. For accused number 3 is Mr. Fobe. For accused number 4 is Mr. Maluleke. For accused number 5 is Mr. Matikela. For accused number 6 is Advocate Matobe. For accused number 7 is Mr. Fobe. For accused number 10 is Advocate Lobsher. For 11 is Advocate Bischoff. For number 12 is Advocate Nechava. For number 13 is Advocate Momalo. For accused number 14 is Advocate Lopondo. For accused number 15 is Mr. Hasbrook. For accused number 16 is Mr. Maluleka. Your Worship, all accused are in custody, and the matter is for bail, the issue of bail to be dealt with. Your Worship, briefly, this matter relates to the awarding of a tender to a company called Medicare Clinic Botswana this year. Accused number 1 and 2 are charged with fraud relating to this unlawful award of tender, and the tender amount being 228 million. Accused number 3, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 are also charged with fraud in relation to the tender. These accused were members of the Bid Evaluation Committee, and the amount of the fraud for which they've been charged is 228 million. Accused number 7 is similarly charged with fraud. He was not a member of the BEC at the time, but was appointed as the quality assurer to ensure that all the compliance by the bidders were met. The amount of the fraud is 228 million in relation to accused number 7. Accused number 4 is charged with corruption in that she is a member of the South African Police Force and was an end user for the services provided by accused number 1 and Medicare Botswana district municipality. Accused number 4 received 3 payments respectively in the amount of 100,000 per payment, totaling 300,000. Accused number 1 is also charged with corruption in that accused number 1 gave the gratification of 300,000 to the accused number 4 in 3 payments. Accused number 1 and 4 are also charged with money laundering relating to the same payment of 300,000, which was concealed and disguised and moved to various different entities until it reached the hands of accused number 4. And accused number 4 is charged in terms of section 6 of POCA, which relates to the acquisition, possession, and the uses of the proceeds of unlawful activity. And this also relates to the 300,000 balance that got into our possession. Your Worship, the state has a written confirmation in terms of section 6011A that has been signed by the investigating director, which indicates that the charges for which the accused have been charged for falls within the ambit of Schedule 5. May I have leave to hand this?
It's for the exhibit, right?
Worship, the state is opposed to the bail in respect of accused number 1, as he is currently in custody on another matter. Your Worship, I have had discussions with my learned friend acting on behalf of accused number one, and he indicated that he would not be applying for bail at this stage, and is also agreeable with the date that the state is going to suggest for the matter to be stopped. I will deal with the date later. But for all intents and purposes, for today's proceedings, accused number one will not be applying for bail. Your Worship, the state is not opposed to bail in respect of all of the other accused, and the state will, in that regard, place on record the bail affidavit of its investigating officer, which will deal with the issue of bail and the amounts, etc. Those of I leave it now for the defense against thank you, sir. Mr. Olivia, case number 2.
Let's go, please, Your Worship. I actually appear for number 1, number 2, as well as accused number 4. The position is the same as accused number 2. An affidavit has been prepared on the instructions in support of a release on bail. With permission of court, may I end same up as an exhibit?
Exhibits, right?
So, Mr. Maintain, do you confirm your file affidavit now here, Exhibit C?
Wayicamba kuyadlala kunadlala.
Your Worship, that will be the application of accused number 4 in support of a release on bail. We'll obviously deal with the issue of quantum at a later stage.